Hello, in this video I will explain the working of a production system by explaining how a production system solves a simple problem. The problem given is a word is given and each letter in the word should be arranged in the ascending order. So that is a problem. Since it's a production system, a production set means condition and the corresponding rule should be defined. That is the intelligence here. So that is defined here. The rule 1 is when BA is met in the working memory in the current state, it has to be converted into AB. So we are coming to the solution of the problem one by one. If CA is met, it should be converted into AC. So CB is found, then it has to be converted into BC. So the condition BA is the first condition. The rule is number 1 for that. And CA is the another condition. Rule corresponding to that condition is 2. And another condition is CB. And its corresponding rule is 3. And the corresponding action is converting the CB to BC. So you can see the given word is CBACA. So you can see in the working memory this word is kept in the initial stage. This is the word we got. So that is the first iteration. Iteration start from 0. Now the condition is checked. The corresponding conditions are checked. Okay, CB is there. So rule 3 is met. And BA is there. Yes, corresponding rule is 1. Again, CA is there. The word CA is there. So rule 2 is also met. So 3 rules are met. I mean 3 conditions are met, so that 3 rules are to be executed. 3 actions are to be performed. Now we have to select which action should be selected. Anyway, all the action cannot be taken at a time. So in that case, we have to choose which rule should be taken. Now 1, 2, 3 rules are selected because all 3 conditions are satisfied in the first case. So the conflict resolution rule we have to make. So our conflict resolution rule is that if more than 2 rules are selected by satisfying more than 2 rules, the first rule should be taken. So in this case, the first rule, that is 1, is taken. And in the second iteration, that is the iteration number 1, only CA is there. Only CA is, this condition is only met. No other conditions are met. So no problem, there is no conflict resolution required. Directly 2 is taken. In the next iteration, 2 conditions are satisfied. So corresponding changes are made. See, when 1 is selected, so what is BA is changed to AB. That is the action taken. Similarly, when 2 is selected, see here, CA is, you can see the first CA is converted into AC. Action is taken 2. Okay. Similarly, in the second iteration, two rules are selected because two conditions are satisfied. There is CA and CB in the given word. So since two rules are there, the first word, the smallest rule, the 2 is selected. The first, when 2 and 3 are there, the first one is 2. And what is the 2 action is CA in the word will be converted into AC. And this process will be keep on repeating, and the action means the suppose action 1 is the rule 1 is fired means BA is converted to AB, just one, okay, only one instance. In the next iteration, the rule 2 is selected, only one condition is met, rule 2 is fired, that means CA in the word is converted into AC. So like that it comes to the fifth iteration, and ultimately it will come to the last iteration, that is the sixth iteration. In the sixth iteration, the word is AABCC, and you can see no conditions are met. There is no AA, there is no AB in the condition. There is no condition is met in the last word. So there is no conditions to be satisfied, is satisfied. So there is no rule is selected. No rules are selected. That means it has come to an end. Now you see the explanation. So iteration 1, that is the iteration, it starts from 0, indexing 0. Working memory content is CBACA. Pattern matches. All the patterns, all the conditions are matched. CB, BA, CA. And CB is a condition corresponding to that rule is 3. And BA is another condition that is again met in the first iteration. The corresponding rule is 1. CA is there in the content and the corresponding rule is 2. So next question is, there is a conflict. How to solve? The rule is selecting the first rule, that is in the given conditions, if two or more conditions are there, from that the first rule. So here 3, 1, 2 are there, we select the first one, and as a result what BA will be converted into in the word, the first BA will be converted into AB. So you can see the working memory will be rewritten as CABCA. Okay, so the change is applied in the working memory and continue to work by going to the next iteration. In the next iteration, only one condition is satisfied, that is CA. Corresponding to the condition CA, the rule is 2. The action is AC. So there is no conflict. There is no need to select anything because only one condition is satisfied. Only one condition, and there is only one rule corresponding to that. So we can easily select that rule without any confusion. What is the rule? What is the condition? CA, and the action is CA will be converted into AC. So correspondingly the description, that is the working memory, is altered according to the rule production set, rule given in the production set. Action is taken and it will go to the next iteration. In the second, that is the third iteration, the index is 2. What will happen is two conditions are met. There is CB and CA in the word. CB means the corresponding rule is 3, that has to be fired, and CA, two conditions are met. CA corresponding rule is 2. So in this case we have to choose again the first rule. First rule means 2 and 3 are there, so the first rule is, in this case it is 2. 2 is selected. 2 means the CA will be converted into AC. That action is taken in the memory, and the memory is rewritten, that is the description is rewritten. Again it will iterate to the next iteration, next stage. So the working memory content is this one. The condition is checked whether BA is there, whether CA is there, whether CB is there. Then accordingly a pattern match is formed. CB and PA are there. CB means as usual CB is a condition, corresponding rule is 3. BA is a condition and corresponding rule is 1. Action is BA to AB. So since two sets are selected, we have to choose one from that. The rule is select the first one. So 3 and 1 rule is there, rule 1 and rule 2. So we will select 1. So the 1 is BA to AB. BA will be converted into, you can see the BA will be converted into AB. So accordingly the working memory is changed. The value in the working memory is changed, and it will go to the next iteration. The next iteration, again the working memory is checked. There are 3 conditions, and out of these 3 only one condition is met, that is CA is there in the word now at present. So CA means the rule 2 corresponding action is AC. So there is no selection required because only one condition is there. Condition is satisfied, therefore only one rule has to be activated, fired. So that is fired, and what is that? CA will be converted into AC. So that corresponding change is made in the working memory, and it will go to the next iteration. So in the next iteration, again it will look for all the conditions. So only one condition is met. CB is there. That CB is the corresponding condition. CB corresponding rule for CB, condition CB is rule 3, and it will select that rule. What that rule will do, CB will be written as BC in that word. So you will get AABCC. So that will be written in the working memory. So the description in the working memory is again changed. So it will go to the next iteration after writing onto the final firing of this rule 3. Then it will go to the next iteration. So in the next iteration, that is the 6th iteration, working memory content is this AABCC. You see from the production set, no conditions are met. There is no BA or there is no CA, there is no CB pattern in the given word in the present working memory content. There is no pattern matching. So no pattern matching, so there is no selection of rule, there is no conflict resolution. So rule selector is not applicable, and it will come to the end of the problem. So that this word is now arranged as ascending order. All letters of that word is arranged in the ascending order. It has solved the problem. This is the working of production system. Okay, thank you very much.